Okay, Dr. RJB, 50-week challenge. And this week's exercise is called the Woodchopper. When you're using an axe, you have it over your head and you come down. So that's basically what the wood chop is all about. You're moving away from above your head to down below. That movement basically kind of twists the body and also, contracts the abdomen. So you're working the torso and abdomen quite a bit. Also, to get the weight up in this position, you have to use your shoulders and arms, some of the back muscles. So this is close to a total body exercise when you do this. And because you're standing and then you're having to bend, you're using your leg muscles in a twisting motion. So you're working a lot of muscles when you do this exercise. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera back so that I can show what we're talking about, and then you can see what this is all going on. Okay, so we need one of the dumbbells, and again, you're going to start up here and then bring it down to here. So we'll do 5 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's the general idea. You can do more reps, of course. You can do more sets, but that's the general idea of this exercise. Again, because of the movement, you're basically using all the muscles in your body. Great workout. Maybe I'm a little out of breath right now just from doing it. I can see that if you do this for any extended period of time, it's going to be quite, a workout that's going to make you out of breath. So if you do practice this one, kind of take it easy a little bit. Okay, take care, guys.